Okay, this time we're going to have a look at this data and we're going to do what's called a t-test with it. Okay, so we select our data, data analysis, and this time we are going to look for t-test. We generally will use unequal variances. Perhaps you may use one of the other two here, but check with your teacher in that regard. Okay, so right, variable 1 range will come from, not there, come from there. Variable 2 range will come from here. Okay, output range, well, let's put our output, let's put, say, in E2. Oop, better correct that one. So that needs to be this data here. So it looks like we're good to go, so we'll press OK. And let's see what information we get. So we've got the mean. We should have our p-value here. Okay, and so we'll discuss with your teacher about what these values mean here. Okay, thanks for listening.